We just got home from Boone yesterday. Gary's got to leave again today. He's waiting on equipment. Kind of stranded here till you get your equipment, right? So you're going to Charleston and then to Orangeburg and home again tomorrow. Meanwhile, the girls and I are going to Sam's. We're pretty much out of everything, so we need to stock up on groceries. We're gonna go to Sam's and hopefully Harris Teeter as well. We have like no veggies, no fruit. We have a little bit of bacon left. Need some eggs. Mostly what we have in here is like various different drinks. So, need to stock up again. But we're pretty much out of frozen meat as well. I've got some shrimp and or a couple things of ground beef and then one chicken. So I need to get some chicken and some meat, stuff like that as well. So we're still on spring break. It's Thursday of our spring break week. We are folding the laundry before we go to Sam's, and Sophie's helping. You like to be a helper, yeah. Don't you, Sophie?
Uh-huh.
What is your job that you like to do the most?
Laundry?
Yeah, that's right. Sophie likes to put the clothes in the dryer, right? And you also like to match the socks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I read the match and not like the match.
Sometimes you're not sure. You do pretty good most of the time though, don't you?
Yeah.
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
When all is done, you'll be a winner. Don't lose yourself under the weight. When all is done, you'll be a winner. You wake up screaming, you know you've been dreaming. Where are all the loving words? Where have all your sweet dreams gone now? Change everything. Just go through the transformation now. Change everything. You know success is your creation.
We arrived at the first place we're going, which is a tailor. It's a place to do alterations for Katie's graduation dress. We need to fix the neckline on that a little bit. And we missed the place you're supposed to park, so we've kind of parked behind the building. We're hoping we can like walk around to the front. We're gonna see. It's in the Palmetto Dunes, or like right beside the entrance of Palmetto Dunes. So I'm also hoping that we won't get towed.
Clouds and thunders standing in my way, but I must try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same no more. I'm sure it'll take a while 'cause I'm still sore. Yeah, now, ooh.
All right, we are back from Sam's, picking up all the stuff. We still need to go to Harris Teeter, but I'll show you what we got from Sam's so we can go ahead and get that stuff up. So starting on this side, we got a big thing of toilet paper, some napkins. We're almost completely out of napkins. Sophie got this pair of shoes. She got them last year as well, but she needs a new pair because she outgrew them. She really loves shoes like that for the summer. And they have pretty decent traction on the bottom, so those are good for her. Some grapes. We decided to try some of these pastries, and Katie got these when she had her wisdom teeth out and just loved them, so I let her get those. We got a pack of jasmine rice, a rotisserie chicken, 1 pack of bacon. We got some steaks. I think we're gonna cook these this weekend with my mom. And then we got a flank steak. They have a pack of 2 at a pretty decent price, and we just freeze those. And then we got some chicken. They had a really good price on chicken as well. We picked this up for a quick dinner tonight, just like some chicken tacos. And we got some butter and some sour cream, 2 packs of eggs. We wanted to try these Kit Kat ice cream cones, especially Sophie did. And some body wash. This is what the girls like to use. And we got some of this A1 sauce that we put on steaks. I was very happy to see that they finally have avocado oil again. I have been looking for this for so long. It's so much more expensive if you have to buy this at the regular grocery store. This is like under $10 for a huge bottle. And then we also got some Dawn Power Wash because I'm getting low on that. And some Clorox disinfecting mist, some Clorox wipes, and then we got these famous Amos chocolate chip cookies as a snack. And yes, we did break into those in the car on the way home because we were all starving. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the stuff put up really quickly. Then we're gonna eat some supper, and then we're gonna go out to Harris Teeter. I was gonna actually do that tomorrow, but it's supposed to be pouring down rain all day tomorrow, so I think I just wanna get my shopping done today. Gary's out of town. He's already left. He went to Charleston, and then he's going up to Orangeburg, so he'll be home tomorrow night. All right, we're back from Harris Teeter. I'll give y'all a little haul of what we got there. So I got some iced coffee. I actually bought 2 of these. One of them's outside, and I also bought some creamer, which is outside in that refrigerator. A small thing of milk. We got some loaf bread, some French bread, which I'm gonna use for French toast. 2 of these creamy melt cheddar cheeses. I like to use those for omelets and other things where you really need it to melt well. 2 of these vegetable fried rice. These are good. Sophie really loves these. 3 packs of these yakisoba chicken flavors. Katie and Sophie eat those. We got some quick potatoes. This is the sour cream and chive mashed potatoes. Some hash browns. Some little baby Dutch yellow potatoes. Some ranch dressing. Some strawberries. This is zucchini. I got 2 Roma tomatoes, some bell peppers, got some romaine lettuce and some corn, some Brussels sprouts, and then I got a cucumber and 2 sweet onions, a bag of broccoli, and then I got these flowers, which I'm gonna kind of put together, but I thought these were really pretty.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. rose in spring, rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow.
Thanks for hanging out with us today, friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Golden, golden things, gold hair, gold rings.